Gene, we are rolling.
Hi guys, good morning.
We have our patient. We're gonna call you Jellyfish. How you doing, my man?
Pretty good.
You got a little bump on the side of your neck here. You got some skin tags. We're not gonna worry about those right now, but you got this one here, and this looks really large. And we are gonna remove it for you, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Has it ever bled?
No.
Changed colors?
No.
Do you have skin cancer in your family?
Not that I know.
Do you ever tip your dollar a fresh $100 bill at the end of the day?
No.
Well, you know, it doesn't hurt to ask, does it?
No.
No, I'm gonna do this one completely complimentary for you. You were here for just to get your blood pressure medicine refilled, weren't you?
Right.
And I said, man, let me take that off for you. That'll be fun. And you were like, how much? I said, if I take that off right now, nothing. Just because I enjoy doing them. All right, and you're okay if we call you Jellyfish and record your video
Fine.
for our friends on YouTube? I'm ready for the syringe. All right, you're gonna feel a little sting, and you're gonna get a little cold spray. She's gonna spray a little cold spray right on that. Brr! Here comes a sting. What's it gonna feel?
Stick, sting, and a burn.
There it is. Stick, sting, and a burn. Come in here a little bit more. Just a little sting, my friend. There you go. Scissors, forceps. Gummy Jean, did you have a great weekend?
I did. It's very relaxing.
Did you catch any fish?
Oh, we caught all kinds of fish. Are you kidding me? Ready for the stitch? We caught sea trout. We caught sheep's head. We caught a whole bunch of catfish.
Wow.
Got a nice stingray, which I actually don't mind catching because I enjoy the little fight they put up.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, we put everything back in. We don't keep anything. We did have some requests that if we caught certain fish, certain people said, hey, if you catch this, I want one. But
All right.
none of that happened. But the important thing is my 14-year-old daughter and I just had a blast fishing and getting out in the sunshine. It was in the 70s. Absolutely gorgeous weather, Gumby.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I took my daughter when she was 10 years old.
Yeah?
I took her down to Lake Conroe, and she caught her first catfish. Oh, she was so excited.
There are a lot of catfish on Conroe.
So,
Yes.
This is going to feel a little bit cold. Are you ready?
Yes.
Cold. What's she going to feel, Gumby Jean?
Stick, sting, and a burn.
Here it comes. Little stick. Sting. You feeling the sting and a burn? Good. Nice and slow. We'll take it slow. Now come. Yeah, that
The
was.
whole mold changed colors.
Yeah. Put a little bit more in for you. There we go. All right. So what we're going to do is what's called a punch biopsy. This is a little tool that we use to do biopsies. And in this case, it's large enough that we can actually do the biopsy and remove the mole at the same time. Pretty cool, huh?
Pretty cool.
All right, so we're gonna put that right over the mole and then just twist gently. You feeling anything?
No.
You might feel a little pressure, but you shouldn't feel any pain. If you feel any pain, say, I felt that. Make sure that we have it. Make sure we are deep enough. That should do it right there.
Oh, I didn't open them.
That's okay. I can do it. Got that. So this is a very simple office procedure. It can be done in almost any office. Most offices would do this, right? This is very simple. So we're going to grasp firmly the lesion and we're going to snip it off with these scissors. Slowly.
Look at that.
The mole has been removed.
I didn't feel anything. Good.
That's what we want. We don't want you to feel anything. And so we want to be sure we're completely removed, and I think we are. All right, so we'll put a stitch in real quick, and then we will be done. And we'll send this to the pathologist, and the pathologist will tell us that it is a benign nevus, right? which is a mole. And will not need to have anything else done. Squeaky, huh?
Good job.
Did you like that? Did you like the squeaks?
Worded.
Well, you know, if we could do these without any blood, if we could do completely bloodless, we would, but unfortunately, it's a fact of life that we all have this
Blood.
stuff called blood circulating, right? We'll take care of that in just a second. Cut the stitch, and then that one right there.
Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stock up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps, quote, make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system, end quote. If you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today. There are Amazon links in the description below. Order today with Amazon Prime.